Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the image to image feature in Leonardo AI. It's super useful tool when you're stuck with a blank prompt or need help with compositions, style, or color ideas. So let's get started. First, just go to image generator. Now choose a model that fits your needs. Just choose one that you want. You can choose a cinematic or concept art, graphic designs, and many more. Choose whatever suits your projects. Then enable image guidance by click these icons. And in this feature, will let you upload a reference image so Leonardo AI can follow its styles or compositions or the content. You can use it for character consistency or concept art or even mood matching. I will choose style reference and then upload an image. And then once uploaded, set the guidance strength and then choose the strength. If you choose mid, Leonardo will keep the core structure of your image while adding your prompt's details. It's perfect for style transfers. Now just write your prompt. For example, I will type my prompt like this. After that, just hit generate. This one. And see, Leonardo has created your new image based on both the reference and your prompt. And it gave 4 variations result. And once you're happy with the result, just click the one that you like and then just download it. Just click download image. And that's it. It's a quick and powerful way to generate consistent, stylish AI art using Leonardo AI. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!